And here we have the Gunpla builder on the hunt, once again searching. But what is this unfamiliar territory? Hobby Lobby. Has his prey relocated? He searches. Yes, he finds something. The Origin Zaku 2. But he thinks, does he need another Zaku in his collection? No, he decides to leave it be. As he continues, he spots something else. Will it catch his eye? No, he decides to search through the rest, scouring decisively, making sure he didn't miss anything. These Gunpla builders are keen hunters, searching for the rare goods that is Gundam. And in this unfamiliar territory, you can never be too careful. He does one last look through his selection. Maybe he missed something. No, he hasn't. But wait, without warning, he grabs his prey. Victory! A successful hunt.